So yeah, when you guys are ready, get started.
Okay, so for our sprint number one, this is group nine, and our team members are David, Scrum Master, me, the product manager, Maya, development team member, and Daniela, development team member. So I'll hand it off to Daniela for our project update.
All right, so for our project update, so the front end and back end are connected. We're using MongoDB and JavaScript for that. Our user authentication has been implemented to provide a secure login method. And then users can create message boards, which are saved in our database. And message boards have restrictions implemented on them. For our software tests, we have a couple tests. So when a user attempts to create an account, we ensure that their ID is not already in use by another account. When a user enters an invalid credential, they are not allowed to log in. And when a user is successfully logged into the account, it is probably connected to the user data. When we're attempting to make a post should be limited to 1,000 characters. And when a user creates a message to a post, it is stored in the database under the user.
As for our technical progress, we were able to connect MongoDB to our front end. We were able to implement user authentication and password hashing. User profiles can be saved in our database, and message board contents are also saved in the database as well.
So some of our accomplishments have been user authentication, user profile creation in the database, message board UI, message board content saved in the database, and we have a light and dark theme for the UI. So for our Kanban board, we have we have finished, we have done user profile updating. We've done the light and dark themes to customize the UI. We have done posting message boards, and we have done that UI. We have also done the message board creation UI. We have done the login and sign up UI, and we've also implemented JWTs. So in progress, we have the homepage UI, the user profile page UI, and the message board privacy settings. Um, if you don't have the PowerPoint, we can share it right now.
No, I do. It's
Oh,
it's just do you guys usually okay. I
okay.
wasn't sure, sorry.
No, it's no problem at all. And so under our to-do, we have the location services, the event creation, the mod features, and also the user profile enhancements. And so just to kind of expand on that for our Sprint 2 estimations, for our location-based services, we're looking at implementing being able to connect with other people based on their location and kind of using that as a connection amongst users of our website. Along the lines of connecting with other people, we also want to implement message board privacy. We are doing this so that only certain people can see the contents of the message boards, and you only can show them to people that you've shared it with. With event creation, we're just trying to help people collaborate on the website, and we're going to hopefully have some of that done first during Sprint 2. And then we also have user profile enhancements, just to kind of customize more and help people share interests and collaborate more on the website. And then lastly, we have moderation features because this is going to be very important for privacy and making sure that we're able to continue moderating the website. So, as for our issues that we ran into and are also next steps, just things that we are looking at fixing. So our MongoDB setup, initially it was definitely hard to get that initial connection going. There were definitely some problems that I know all of us ran into, but once we got past that initial hump, then we were also running into some problems with MongoDB with just making sure that what we were inputting on the website, as in our message boards and then also our user profile creation, we were trying to make sure that that correctly goes back to the database. So that's definitely something that we kind of ran into issues. We were able to fix some of them, but we are definitely going to make sure that during this next sprint, we are really focusing on streamlining that process of getting our information back to the database. And then also for another issue and next step, we want to continue adding that functionality for our message board creation. Right now, it's definitely the bare bones of what we want to do, but we definitely want to expand on that, enhance the UI, enhance the capabilities. We already have the restrictions on it, but like the 1,000 character limit, but we definitely want to make sure that we're able to post those message boards and make sure the visibility is correct and the privacy is correct on that.
Any questions?
No. Um, did I miss the demo?
Oops.
Uh,
I'll be
it's-
doing the demo.
Oh, okay.
okay, there we go.
Yeah, I'll be doing the demo. Um, I'll just request to share my screen. Okay. Okay. There's screen and that. Okay. So this is our homepage. I'm just going to restart the server really quick. Um, so okay. So our homepage right here, and then we have our user sign in, and ideally it would create a user in the back end. So create account and then let's call up a console and expect element and it should be a bit before it is the user. So now the user's created, and if I go check the database, um, the user should be there. And there it is, M Sports, just like there. And then we also have our posts here. So we can create a post and we're working on just like making sure it's properly put into the database. But we have those features right now. And that's it for the demo. Stop sharing my screen. Okay.
Okay. And that's it, right? All right,
Yeah,
perfect.
that'll be all.
I was so confused. I was waiting for it to go to the demo. I didn't realize you're doing it at the end. Sorry.
No, no problem.
Also, like I should have asked about the slides sooner. That's my bad. But let's see. Everything else looked good. Mentioned everything. Slides was good. Speaking was good. Could you show me the database again? I don't think it came up, or maybe the people
Oh,
were.
it didn't? Oh, probably because my screen, oops, my bad. I'll show the entire screen. I was probably just sharing the window. Um, you should be able to see it right now, but
Mhm.
here it is. That's the what was input into the database.
Okay, yeah, your new users
Um,
with the M Sports. Okay.
yeah.
All right, sweet. Yeah, all right then. everything looks good with your demo. First page looks good, and I want to say that you guys might want like you guys have these estimations for your sprint too, right? For the purpose of the assignment and the presentation, it's good, but you guys like should have like these tasks split up a little bit more from what I see on the sprint two estimation slides, right? Like some of these things might take a little bit longer than what you might think and might require a lot more effort. So just really look into that, I would say. But other than that, good presentation, good demo, good job, guys. I will get that link into me as soon as you can. Yeah, thank you.
Okay, thank you very much. Have a good day.
Thank you so
Thank
much.
you.
Thank you.